Local manufacturers are calling on the government to ramp up efforts in curbing entry of counterfeit goods. Pwani Oil Director of Commercial Control Rajul Malde says these efforts will help local industries compete fairly in the local market. He was speaking during the launch of Sawa Lotions product range as the company diversifies into body hygiene market.
From neighboring markets through our porous borders and so on. And I'm pleased to report that government is actually acting on such challenges that we raise with government and stakeholders, and it's helping industry, and that's what I mean when I say government needs to continue to support Kenyan manufacturing, and this is one of the ways that government is already doing some little bit, and maybe they can do a bit more.